Now in today's video, I'm going to show you how to utilize the rope swing. Okay, so the rope swing is an important trick to use to chain all your other tricks together. That's the whole purpose of the rope swing, just to give you that motion, that rotation, that freedom in your arms to go into another trick. For example, to go from fast high knees to a double under, it's better to use a rope skip as the transition. So let's just say from now on, the rope skip equals a transition. Let's get into the technique. So with your hands, the major thing you want to do is keep your hands close. A lot of people make the mistake, once again, of keeping their arms too far apart. So they look like this. Nope, you don't want that. We want it nice and tight, just like that. It's like a boxer. That's how boxers go to fight, right? And keep it nice and tight. Keep those elbows right into your chest, like that. Right? That's step one. Step two is to use your wrists as the way of moving the rope. It's all on the wrist, it's not on your arms. Try to get closer to you. Alright? So look. It's just a little wrist movement to make the rope swing happen. Alright? So focus on the wrist first. Just practice like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, right? So, once you have that down, the way we'll practice the rope swing is by just jumping rope and just doing it one at a time. Back up. That's pretty much it for the rope swing. Now, there are other more advanced versions of the rope swing, but that's for another video, such as the Floyd Mayweather rope swing. For example, what he does, it turns into a sprint pretty much. Also, there's between the legs. A whole lot of variations to the rope swing. But for now, purposes of this video, the rope swing, great for transitions, and great for being a variation to what you're doing. And there you have it, just to sum it all up. Keep your elbows in close, right? Keep your hands close as well. Use your wrists like you're folding them over to each other, okay? A fold and a fold. Fold, 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 fold. Alright? And that's about it. Do all those steps that I mentioned previously. The rope swing should be no problem to you. Like, share, and subscribe if you like the content. If you have any other questions about it, I'll make sure to answer it in the comment section below. This is Rashawn from Hyperbolic Athletes, and we're going further beyond. I'm out.